This is your order tracker page. You can find this page by clicking here on Orders, and it will always take you here to the order tracker. There are other pages within the Orders area, but we're going to focus today on the order tracker page. This page is basically where you can track all of your shipments. If you started working on a shipment within SoStock, after you've created it, it will show up here in the Draft POs section. Any new FBA shipments that come in from Amazon will show up here, and we'll talk about reconciling FBA shipments in a minute. As your purchase order moves through its respective lead time, which you can see down here, it will move from the order tracker column to the next order tracker column, from production to en route, whether it's on a plane or on an ocean freighter or a truck, over eventually to where its final landing place is, its final destination, whether that be a warehouse or, of course, if it's going to FBA. Now you're going to find all of your purchase orders and work orders here. The difference between a purchase order and a work order: a purchase order is when you purchase new inventory from a supplier or a manufacturer, and a work order is typically a transfer from your 3PL warehouse into Amazon FBA. We talked about lead times in the previous section, so we're not going to get into that too much, but this page shows you which portion of the lead time each of those POs or work orders are in. Some of the key features to note on your order tracker page are our preset dashboards here. So whether you have inventory that has arrived 15 days ago, landing in the next 15 days, or POs that are ready to ship, you can find those by using these dashboards. You'll notice that these columns have little ellipses where you can hide a column, change the direction. Also here on the warehouse or prep center, you can choose to hide order tracker cards like purchase orders or work orders after a certain period of time, or just after they close, or you can never hide them. So as you accumulate purchase orders or work orders, they will accumulate here and you can scroll down and find them. Most people, and by default, we have this set to auto hide cards after close. So once that purchase order is fully checked into the warehouse, it will no longer show up here. And the same thing applies to the FBA shipments. Once they're fully checked in, they will usually just be hidden after they're closed, or you can change that setting to never hide them or to hide them after a certain period of time. In this case, I've chosen never because I want to look at old closed shipments. In the next videos, we're going to discuss how to reconcile FBA shipments, how to check inventory in once it arrives at the warehouse or to FBA, and how to edit and delay shipments.